One of the things that comes to mind is a whakatauki by Sir James Henare. Kua tāwhitike tō haere mai, kia kore e haere tonu. He nui rawa o mahi, kia kore mahi tonu. We have gone too far not to go further. We have done too much not to do more. I'm standing to represent our people and our district, building on the hard mahi in the last 8 years to establish Māori wards and to see it in its first term. We want to see it continue mai rano. I'm standing to represent our tamariki and ensuring that they are reflected in the leadership of our communities. I'm standing because at this crucial time for Māori and for local government, we need proven. I bring experience in local government and particularly in Māori wards. I've also been the co-chair for Te Maruata, which is the national body of Māori elected members in local government, and that covers the whole of Aotearoa. I also sit as a National Council member for Local Government New Zealand. So I've been able to have great insight sitting around with mayors from across our country into what effective high-level governance is, particularly in local government. I want to ensure that our tamariki continue to see us reflected in the leadership of our communities and that we continue to have input into the decision making around the table from a te ao Māori perspective. I will make a great difference, as I have done in all the work that I have done to date for local government and for Māori wards. My vision for the rohe is being able to see healthy, safe, thriving communities, all our communities across our rohe. Being able to ensure that our local businesses are thriving, because that means kai on tables, it means jobs. Wanting to see adequate, safe housing for all our whānau. That's something that's not just a necessity, it's a right for our whānau to have safe housing. My vision is to ensure that we are walking alongside with our iwi and our hapu, and that is normal, and that upholding the obligations of te tiriti is just normal part of everyday life, and it ensures that we are looking after our taiao, we are looking after our future for our tamariki.